To simplify, we are simply going to do exactly what the word simplify means. So that is to remove all the unnecessary bits of something and then just put a simple answer. Like in this example, in example 1, you see we have minus 5 in brackets times a. We do not need these brackets. We do not need that times, because when you see minus 5a, you know that this is minus 5 times a. So when someone gets to write minus 5 times a using the brackets and the multiplication sign, they're just writing a lot of extra information that is not necessary. So you have to put that minus 5 times a in simple terms. So that is simply you write your minus 5 and your a. So these are exactly the same, but as you can see in this example, like the brackets are unnecessary information which we have to remove. Same applies to, well, number 13 or exercise 13. When we have 7a multiplied by minus 6 in brackets, you can see that we can remove these unnecessary brackets that we do not need. And we also know that when we multiply 7 by minus 6, we get minus 42. So we get to remove the unnecessary brackets, and we also simplify 7 multiplied by minus 6 to minus 42. So now we have one number. We do not have 7 and 6. And also, yeah, we can simply write this answer as minus 42a. So we removed the brackets, we removed the unnecessary multiplication sign, and we reduced the numbers from two numbers to one number, which is just minus 42. So I hope by now I shouldn't be reminding you on how to multiply numbers with signs. So this 7 is assumed to be plus 7, and this minus 6, you can see the sign is minus 6. So a plus multiplied by a minus is equal to a minus. So like that's why we get the minus 42. If it was plus 7 times plus 6, that would have been plus 42. If it was minus 7 times minus 6, it would have been plus 42, because minus times minus gives us a minus, gives us a plus. So that's just a quick reminder on how to multiply numbers with signs. Otherwise, by now you should know how to multiply numbers with signs. So you can see our answer with a simple, with a minus and a plus, we got a minus, and 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. And then the a, we just take that a here. We have a simple answer here. For our last example, example number 36, you can see how we have this, we have minus 63 m squared. So this is m squared divided by minus 21 m. So we know that we can be able to divide 21 into 63. So yeah, I put stages or steps to doing this. Maybe you do not know that 21 into 63 is 3. So I know that 21 into 63 is 3. However, you might not know that, so you use a smaller number. Let's say, I think 3 might be able to divide 63 into 21. So you divide your 63 by 3, you get 21. You divide your 21 by 3, you get your 7. So 63 divided by 3, 21. 21 divided by 3, it's 7. And then minus divided by minus, we cancel the minuses because it's two minuses. So now we have like a positive. So we don't have to write that plus, because again, it's unnecessary information. And then when it comes to the m's, I just expanded. M squared is as good as m times m. And then at the bottom, we just have 1m. So we just write our 1m. So to get from 21 over 7, m times m, and then 7m, you can see that how we get to divide again. This time we are dividing by 7. So 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. So 3 over 1 gives us just 3. And then one of these m gets cancelled with the m below. So now we are left with 1m. So from this stage to this stage, what we did is to divide both numbers by 3. So we are left with 3 at the top, 1 at the bottom, which is as good as just 3. So 3 over 1 is 3. And then m times m divided by m, we get to cancel one of the m's, and we're left with 1m. So now you can write this. You can see this is a simple number. From this whole big expression, we have reduced to our simple number. So simplifying is simply trying to write the expression that you were given at the beginning in the simplest form that you can get. So that can be by reducing the amount of numbers that are written in the expression, or removing the unnecessary signs, or removing the unnecessary brackets, or removing the unnecessary symbols. So that is a simplification of expressions.